Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jake and I'm very feeling grateful because my friends, you are supporting my channel. Keep supporting, okay? Keep watching my videos. You like, share, comment in the video, okay? So I'm going to share how can you speed up your computer. Your computer is very slow, takes much time to boot up, okay? If facing lagging problem, then after I'm going to share tricks, follow the trick and the problem will be fixed 100%, okay? The computer is hangs very slow at the first time. You can do is go to the start menu, then after just click the power button and just restart your computer the first, okay? If not, then after what you have to do is if your computer is lagging and very slow because of the running application not responding, suppose I have here one WinRT, okay? Now suppose I'm opening the WinRT and my WinRT is not supporting, then after what you have to do is just go right click on the text manager, then after text bar, then go to the text manager and you can find out here application, okay, running application, and just click that application which is not responding and just right click and click end text, okay, and this end text will close your application. Free solution is that you can disable startup app programs, okay? You can disable startup program. Just click on the text bar and go to the text manager and you can find out the startup, okay? Going to zoom in, then after what I have here just ChatGPT, just right click and disable, okay? I have disabled all here, okay? Like that you can try. I think the computer no problem fixed. Okay, number 4 is that just connect with the internet, then after you have to update your computer, okay? Simply click updates and after click check for updates. And after if there is any updates are pop up, then after just you can click install now, okay? Installing, okay? Keep up to date with the operating system that can all, okay? This also helps your computer to run very fast. After next is that you can run the disk cleanup, okay? How can you run disk cleanup? Just go to this PC or this computer, and after go to the C drive and just right click, then go to the properties, and after you can find out here disk cleanup, just click the disk cleanup. After it analyzes and check all boxes, then after just you can press OK and you can find out total amount of this space you gain, okay? After cleaning this you will gain 1.33 GB, okay? Just click OK and click cache. It's going on, it's processing. Again go to the disk cleanup, then after you can find a cleanup system file, just click that. It's calculating, okay? It depends on your computer system, your processor, your computer graphics card. And after just check, okay, all the check max and click OK and just click here. This also depends on your computer performance, okay, your processor, the storage system. Yes. Now next solution is that you can download antivirus, okay? Let's go to the Google Chrome, then after search the security. Let's go to software. Free trial. Download. Quick Heal Total Security free 1 month trial. Let's download and install and scan all the files. Scan the file system. This also come faster. After now, next is that press Windows RT or have area ROM. Source bar. Type percent and still it. Windows hierarchy recent it's okay. Recent switch. So select all and